Hi guys, you have seen an earlier video where I was showing you the different things that I gathered together to make this collage mixed media picture of lilac. So I'm just about to do it now. And there's nothing like a time limit actually in order to get you moving swiftly and making decisions quickly. And so I've just got a few minutes. So let's see what happens. Okay. That'll do, just as a way in for the leaves. Might actually use some oil pastel. I quite like the way the leaf is coming up like that. I don't know if you can see that. I quite like how the leaf is coming up and around like that. It's quite significantly brighter now than what I've put there, but it'll work anyway. I think I can lighten the colour of the leaf as we go. Okay, and then there'll be the lovely orange vase below it here. I've started over a bit far, haven't I? I want to leave enough space for the lilac flowers. Just putting on the colour of the vase there. I think it would be good if you were like in front of me here. I'm just gonna put you there so you can see exactly what's going on. Can you? Oh, for goodness sake. No, that's too close. And now the battery power is going, for fuck's sake. Alright, I'm just going to carry on. That's 2 minutes gone already, for goodness sake. Okay, so let's get some flowers on. I think this reads as lilac shaped. There we go. I do have some nice bright green. Make a bit of an impact here. Bright green ink. That's probably time up now. Oh no, I've got almost another minute actually. That's not too bad. So I'm going to use that time to stick on some individual lilac flowers over the top of the orange vase so that we know that the flower is overlapping. There we go. It's kind of fun actually putting on these individual flowers. To be honest, the whole thing is kind of fun. It's good to just play about without having any particular outcome in mind. And this is seriously playing about, like. Okay, I've got a stick now and I thought I could draw. It's got some red chalk at the end of it, so I'm going to use that stick to draw the shape of the vase.